In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply matrices. Let's say we have these two matrices to multiply. The first matrix has 1, 2 rows and 1, 2 columns. The second matrix also has 2 rows and 2 columns. To multiply these matrices, we choose the first row of the first matrix and multiply it by the first column of the second matrix. So the first number here, 2, will multiply 3, giving 6. And the second number here, 6, will multiply -7, giving -42. After that, we multiply the first row again of the first matrix by the second column of the second matrix. So 2 will multiply -5, giving -10. And 6 will multiply 9, giving 54. We add them. And we choose the second row of the first matrix and multiply it by the first column of the second matrix. That is 4 times 3, giving 12. And 8 times -7, which gives -56. And again multiply the same row again by the second column of the second matrix. That is 4 times -5, giving -20, and 8 times 9, giving +72. And now 6 minus 42 is -36. And -10 plus 54 will give us 44. 12 minus 56 is -44. And -20 plus 72 will give us 52. This is the answer. Let's take another question. Let's say we have a matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another matrix, B is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the number of rows by the number of columns of a matrix gives the order or the dimension of the matrix. For instance, for matrix A, we have 1, 2 rows. We have 1, 2, 3 columns. So matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix. And for matrix B, we have 1, 2, 3 rows by 1, 2 columns. So matrix B is a 3 by 2 matrix. To be able to multiply two matrices successfully, the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. If they are unequal, you cannot multiply the two matrices. So matrix A has 3 columns and matrix B has 3 rows. The number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix are equal. So these two matrices can be multiplied. And after multiplying them, the dimension of the resulting matrix will have the order of the number of rows of the first matrix, which is 2, by the number of columns of the second matrix, which is also 2. Let's multiply and see what we'll get. So we select the first row of the first matrix and multiply it by the first column of the second matrix. So we have 1 times 7, which is 7. 2 times 9, which is 18, so plus 18. 3 times 11, which is 33, so plus 33. We leave a space here and move on to the second column of the second matrix. So we multiply the first row of the first matrix by the second column of the second matrix. So we have 1 times 8, which is 8. 2 times 10, which is 20, so plus 20. And 3 times 12, which is 36, so plus 36. And we select the second row of the first matrix, multiply it by the first column of the second matrix. That will be 4 times 7, which is 28, plus 5 times 9, which is 45, plus 6 times 11, 66. And we again multiply the second row of A by the second column of B. That will be 4 times 8, which is 32, 5 times 10, which will be 50, and 6 times 12, which will give us 72. So now 7 plus 18 plus 33 is 58, and 8 plus 20 plus 36 is 64, and 28 plus 45 plus 66 is 139, and 32 plus 50 plus 72 is 154. As you can see, the order or the dimension of the answer is 2 by 2. That is 2 rows by 2 columns.